Yo, yo, yo. What's up? What's up? What's up? Happy Wednesday. So quiet. Let's turn that up some. What's good, peoples? What's good? What's good? You here? Let's move you here. Let's put the chat right here. All right. Happy Wednesday. Gold. So we haven't really had much movement during London. I wouldn't say we've had much movement. Maybe about 300 pips, but it was a very slow 300 pips over 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. Sorry, 2 hours. 2 hours. Pre-London Open. Very slow, very slow. We got the push down, so bear with me. It's a whole keyboard. All right, so yes, gold obviously it broke below the daily low. In fact, let's start with the daily time frame. Let's start with the daily. Should I?
What? That's true. That's a marijuana investigation.
Okay, so daily time frame is bearish. We have this daily continuation pattern, but we do have this daily support right here at 45.56. So yeah, was kind of looking for gold if it's going to continue to push through this support and continue down. Now I think it still could, but this area has been a very strong support. Like prices obviously just kept on, it's holding price, I would say. If you look at it on the 30, so 45, 55, 56-ish. You know, we did close below on the 4-hour, but then we just pushed right back up. So I was actually anticipating a bit more of a, I was anticipating a pullback before price did continue down anyway, which is good. But this 4 hours broken the low already, hasn't broken the high yet, kind of pushing back up into this range. So I want to see some downtrend structure if price does want to continue bearish. That's what I'm looking for. Where's Asian range? Asian range. So we've closed back in Asian range. Previous 30-minute doesn't have a top wick. Very interesting. Very interesting. Yo, Benny, what's good? What up, what up, what up, what up? Rosie, what's up? You good? You good? You good? Good? How have you guys' morning been? How was your morning? How was your morning? I was like I said, I was looking for sells earlier, but I just didn't get the setup. I didn't like, you know me, I don't like selling into a support. And it was just about a closure below this, and this daily support here, it was kind of holding like it. We came down to it, we closed on it, closed below. It was a very late closure below. Next candle pushed up, and then we got the drive down, but it's not a clean break, and it took a very long time for it to move when it eventually did. Leo, what's up, Leo? 4463, previous day low, acted as some sort of resistance, especially for lower times, 5, 15, and 60, and 30, sorry. Right here, 4463. I mean, yeah, it's like Asian lows and all of that, but I think if we push up, if we continue, but if we go bullish today, then this would be the perfect place to push up from, like right by the daily support. You looking for buys or sells, Leo? Yeah, I'm for me, I'm chilling. I'm chilling right now. I'm waiting to see. Like, I'm not opposed to the buys. I would prefer sells. I like, you know me, I like following the daily candle. I like following the daily. The continuation pattern has already played out though. This has already played out. Strong bearish, weak bullish. And then the next bearish candle's already broken these lows, so this move is pretty much done. So either two things can happen. We could pull back up now, or we could just continue going and close very strong bearish. But if gold does take buys, then this is the perfect place to buy from. It would be. It would be. For sells to maybe 4454, but who knows? You always say who knows, or you know, maybe. Like, be confident, man. Be confident. If that's what you're looking for. If you're seeing things that are lining up for your trade, then you know, it should give you a higher probability of what's going to happen. Like, be super confident in that. Ayila, afternoon. How are you? To join you again. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you being here, man. Appreciate you being here, for sure. Damn, look at Naz. Naz is just gone. Like, I cannot take sells on Naz until, like, I think if Naz does sell, it's going to be a huge pullback. And that's what I'm looking for. Like, it has to make sense though. It has to line up with some type of fundamental. Maybe NFP. Maybe NFP on Friday is usually a big we get a big move, but yeah, there's definitely gonna be some waiting. Looking for sells on gold. Okay. Looking for the sells. I think everyone is more bearish on gold. If I'm gonna take sells, I don't mind seeing a bit more of a pullback. What happened with pounds yen this morning? Was it yen? I think that was yen news again today. 9:30. Let's see. Hours ago. I think we did they speak today? Bank of Japan. I think I remember. Oh yeah, look. Oh, 9:30. Bank of Japan. Where is his name? Governor Yuda. Oh, why did that pop up? No one wants TikTok. What? What did I press? that. All right. Where are you looking to get into some sells, Ayla? I don't mind. I would like to see sells if gold can pull back and maybe retest. Gold can come back and retest. Or 486. If it stays, if the daily candle stays bearish. Guy, morning. How are you today? How are you today? You good? You good? I actually want to know. I want to know what people trade in here. I want to know how many pairs. How many pairs do you trade? 1, 2. Answers can I have? Where'd it go? Disappear on me? Ooh. I'm here, iffy about Wicked Wednesday. Evan, what's up, Evan? Good afternoon. If the 30 minutes closes above 44.65, then we sell 44.87. Yeah, I don't mind taking sells from a retest of up here. Yeah, I like that. But this also looks good. Selling back out of the Asian range. This is not bad, you know, look. You can keep coming down. Oh, it's only 4. Hmm. 4 plus. Now let's do 5 plus. 10 plus. News soon. Yeah, man, we have ADP. We have ADP in 5 minutes. The ADP, and then we have services PMI at 3. Why does it keep doing that? What do I keep clicking on? Not cool. Stop it. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. Okay, cool. All right. We have a 4-hour closure below 4459, which is a good resistance. Sellers are still in control. 4444. Resistance. Are you expecting ADP to sell? I'm not sure, you know. I'm actually not sure. Let me look at the ADP numbers. ADP 118k is a big number. It is, because wow. Alright, let me see what happened in May. May came out lower than expected, so let's see what gold did then. May 6th. All right, so bad numbers, gold dropped and then pushed up a bit, and then we continue pushing up until, see if there was any more news on May 6th. Look, imagine orange folder there, crazy. So bad numbers were good for gold, good numbers should be bad for gold. I mean, that's is pretty standard for ADP. Ash, what's up? What's up, Ash? You good? Ash in the house. What up, what up, what up? What's goody, what's goody, what's goody? What are you feeling for news? Are you going to wait till after? Hope the news pulls gold back so I can sell again. Okay, you want buys before the sells. So I have, if I'm looking at the 4 hour, I'm looking at the 4 hour, I can imagine the 4 hour pushing up a little bit more, maybe retesting this broken support to then come back down, which would also pretty much line up with that lower time frame area that I'm looking at right above here. If we were to push up, and remember, like, one thing I can't forget is that we are at this daily support. So look at these wicks that we have here already. Already have these wicks. If we respect this wicky area, I can see gold pushing up. 1 hour. 1 hour's respected this resistance. My drink finished, damn. 1 hour's respected this resistance. Broken that previous 1 hour low. And also, you know, it looks like we're pushing back out of the Asian range. But yeah, my only thing for the buys is this daily support right here, which has been like holding price. So let me keep my eye on it. Let's see. Oh, this news. This is news. 122k. So good numbers. Good numbers. That should help gold push down. Very good numbers. Sorry. Nothing happening crazy. Nah, it's ADP though, isn't it? I don't expect this news to be like super high volume. I'd prefer to see a move on services PMI and ADP. I usually think red folders are heavy volume. Yeah, but I mean, yes, and it also depends on, it kind of depends on what's going on too. like monetary policy wise, if they're heavily focusing on like jobs and job information, stuff like that, then they're going to look at ADP, they're going to be looking at JOLTS, they're going to be looking at NFP and unemployment claims. You'll see big reactions on those, especially if unemployment is like a main focus. Like around COVID, when COVID was here, that's when we were seeing the real reactions to all of the job data that came out. But now it's what's driving monetary policy. It's still inflation. Inflation is always going to be, yes, unemployment and CPI, exactly. So now it's still going to be, we're still going to get reactions, but it's not like the main thing that they're looking at. So with the inflation, they're looking at how the war is causing inflation. Yeah, really. The job market is seen to be pretty strong, so I don't think these job headlines are going to be like super duper high impact. Sorry, why do I keep yawning? I'm gonna keep an eye. So we got 11 minutes. 4-hour might come back down, re-break this low. Or if we get a weak bullish candle, I'd love to see more sales coming down. Ali, how are you, Ali? Cool, you cool, you cool. They keep changing the impact of some of this news too. They do. Like sometimes it's like I said, sometimes it's orange, sometimes it's red. They just flick back and forth depending on what's going on. Look at Nas, yo. Nas is just Nas is a heavy buy. $500 pips since Monday. 500 pips. I would never have held this long though. I would never have held that long. I did want to know what happened with pound yen this morning, why all of a sudden it had such a big drop. Trump could have the blockade of Iran lifted by Labor Day. Yeah, sure. Oh, this is where all the news came from. Blah blah blah. Delay. Okay. Yeah, I might leave GJ. Pound yen was looking nice and bullish for me. I was expecting it to get back to 26.20. Yeah, 26.20. Now we got this pullback. No. Bank of Japan always stepping in. Ugh. Seems so. I might have to go get some water. Where's my water at? Should I go get some juice? I'll get some juice. Alright, give me 2 seconds, actually. My water's finished. I only have... Great, give me 2 secs. Oh, I hit TP yesterday. Oh, well done, man. Well done, well done. Ooh. What was your TP? What was your target? What was your target? Check it out. Done. Drop the chart link. Let's pull it up. Good. Well done. Oh damn, that hit TP today. Like, well, earlier on this morning. Nice. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Well done. This is a banger of a move. How many pips was that? $503. Was about what, 600 pips? Damn, that hit TP to a T. Yeah, that was nice. That's nice. What are you looking for today? Huge move. We go again. That's right. That's right. We go again. Yeah, we do. Sticky. What do you reckon, guys? Are we bullish or bearish on gold today? Be bearish. I mean, I like trading with the daily candle. And this daily candle is looking nice and bearish. smooth, it really was. 4454. Did you get in, Leo? Did you catch it? 100 pips a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Yes, below previous daily low. Yeah, gold, yes. So with this, you see this pattern here, which I keep putting up. I'm going to put it up until you guys are sick of it. I don't care. I do not care. Alright, so when this pattern plays out, now which one do we have on the daily too, especially on the higher time frame? So we've got a very long top wick, well, very small body, long top, short wick. So it's more looking like this one, I guess, something like this here. Now once this pattern is played out, once we like fill the wick or break the low, this is the continuation, this is the move. If it plays out very quickly, like if it plays out too quick, then what we can see sometimes is like a reversal of the price. So where this is a continuation, great, it's continued down, but sometimes we can see price like push back up. So I'm just being aware of that, because this it filled yesterday's wick, what, 4462. It was very early. 46, like it was like here. So the pattern had played out 2 hours into market open yesterday, like in the morning. That move had played out. So I'm not surprised that we got a bit of a pullback. You know, I wouldn't, if price continued bearish, then so be it, then all good. Even better, because you know gold is looking quite bearish at the moment. You look on the daily for patterns? No, not particularly. I only notice this pattern. So this pattern, if I see it on daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, or 30 minute, I love it. 15 minute, not so much. It does have some rules to it, or like, you know, things that happen with it. Like it doesn't play out as well against the trend, but it's just something that I saw happening all the time. Like, look, this is it right here, like a bullish continuation pattern. See, price didn't continue up, we had no bottom wick there. That can happen too. We don't get it can move without creating wicks. That's one. Where's another one? Look, no, not really that one, but it happens quite often. Right here, continuation pattern there. You'll see it at least a couple times a week. This looks like it's a 1 hour one right there. Let me see. I don't remember. Yeah, look, I'm telling you, I can tell where the pattern is just based on the 30-minute candles. I swear, I can really read these candles. Right, depending on how the 30-minute candle closes, I know there's a 1 hour continuation pattern. Look. And this is what I did. This is what I went back on the chart, and I literally every time I saw the pattern play out, I used to just circle it. I used to just this was it. This was like my idea of back testing it. And I would just circle it, and I was like, yeah, I'm seeing this way too often. Do you know what I'm saying? And then I just learned how to trade it, like, you know, when it appeared, all of that. And that's on the 1 hour. I feel like I see it more on the 30-minute, but yeah, man, That's the only reason. Wait, what did you say, Ash? I'm missing messages. My bad. Have you seen that the probability of price pushes back after the pattern is more likely if that green candle didn't break the prior daily low? I'm gonna have to read that again. Have you seen that probability of price pushes back? I think I get what you're saying. Because yesterday's candle didn't break since Tuesday's candle didn't break Monday's low, you think there's a high probability of pulling back? That's something I'm gonna have to look at, you know. That's something I'm gonna actually have to go over again. Only reason, like, kind of yes and no. I do think there are variations to why it will work and why it won't, and that's based on, like, say this support wasn't here, like, we've broken Monday's low too. We've broken a weekly low with this move, so I could imagine price pushing down some more. But the only thing that will make me think price would push back up is the fact that we're at this daily support right here, and that we've got these wicks. So I think there's more analysis to it for why it could pull back. Do you know what I mean? There's other things that are bullish influences, things that give a bullish bias that can make gold do that. So yeah. Nice. I'm gonna need a one-on-one. Gold is creating continuation pattern on the 4 hour. That's what I'm talking about, Ayula. Yes. So do you remember I said that earlier? This 4 hour is pushed up, but it's pulling back down. If this closes weak bullish, then I can see the next candle pushing down, especially if we close below this daily support too. That would be amazing. And then we might get something like, well, we've got a long top wick, maybe something like this. No, did we break the low already? Yes, just about broke the low. Yeah, maybe something like this. But yeah, man, this pattern is and you know what? Me and Ashley would spot, me and Miss Gold Pippin, we'd spot that the continuation pattern, like this pattern, especially after like a bank holiday. If there was a US holiday, we'd get a very weak daily candle, and then the next candle we'd get the continuation pattern. The continuation pattern would play out. That used to be like a thing. That would definitely be a thing. When was Easter? Yeah. Yeah. But it's you know, collecting all of these charts and putting it in the playbook that we keep talking about. Just a massive book of it happened on Thanksgiving. Oh, let's go. Yes, it did. Look at that brain right there. Look at that brain. Happened Thanksgiving. Right here. Look, guys. Look. So Thanksgiving's when? It's usually the 27th. Well, it's the 27th this year. Yeah. Look, back-to-back continuation patterns. But yeah, this would have been, I guess, Thanksgiving on the 27th. You get a very weak daily candle, obviously low volume because it's a holiday, and then the next day price would just go crazy, and it would happen either way, buys, sells, wherever. So yeah, look at Ash with an example off the top, off the dome. Yep, I remember that because I waited on Turkey for that move. Oh man. Yes, Ali, we definitely have some news today. Right, so we got 20 minutes. We got 20 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. But we can anticipate that if it closes weak, bullish, then we could get the continuation pattern. Now, the next candle could let's see. Hopefully this is what the next candle, if it closes like this. Bear Mike, good morning. I'm here live. Listen, you're getting earlier and earlier. Love that. Love it. Been kind of late some days, you know, you'll be getting earlier and earlier. It's great. So yeah, this is the next 4-hour candle. If this 4-hour candle closes like this, I would expect the next 4-hour to look something like this. Maybe even retest that daily support and then keep pushing down. I don't know how big this candle's going to be. I mean, if it came all the way down here, let me make it the right color too. Might as well, right? Might as well. There we go. This is what I would this would be a move. Clean all the way down. Bam. Wait for the top wick. 4-hour flip bearish. Bam. Big sells. Big sells. Something like that. Buy or sell. So I'm waiting for this 4-hour to close. But yeah, I think gold is looking more like sells. Especially if we close below this. Below 4456. Support. Yes, sir. Are you looking forward today, Mike? You still holding your you can't be holding your cells still. It's past that time now. Oh, who's at my door? Give me 1 second, guys. Who's at my door? Oh, delivery. Every day delivery. Please. Whew. When I say it got cold over here, gold pushing, it is. It is. Gold is just really is really playing games. It's a slow trickle down. If it is going to keep dropping, it's taking its time about it. Look at these daily candles. They're not very big. Very slow pushes. Oh, Ali, I just saw your message. You did send it in the Discord, didn't you? Bam. Yeah, I get no notifications on Discord when I'm streaming. It goes into streamer mode. Yeah, so if you guys put anything in there, if you post anything, then let me know so I can look. Otherwise, I will not see it. Doesn't even flash to say something's popped up. But I will definitely check it out if you do post something. God is so confused right now. What's it doing? End of the hour move. Yeah, I'm gonna give it 10 minutes. No. I'm gonna give it 10 minutes. Carl, what's happening, Carl? We all good? Yeah, for sure. We had a really nice move this morning. Real nice move this morning. You were very patient with it as well. Extremely patient. Very, very patient. Like with gold, unfortunately, you do have to have a bigger stop loss. You do have to have a bigger stop loss, but look, bigger stop loss, bigger rewards, right? Or at least a 1-to-1, but yeah, it looks like it played out, you know. If you'd had a tighter stop loss, it probably would have got knocked out before you even got into that win. But no, holding through that drawdown, that was good. It was a real nice move. And man, where you got out to, like it literally pulled back up after that. Like not long after it hit your TP. Yeah, real nice. Longest trade I've ever held. So did you just like set it and forget it, or did you watch it? You just let it be? But that's some very good patience right there. That's some very good discipline even to just leave it. A lot of people can't handle being in drawdown. Yeah, I can't set and forget. I was checking on it every now and then. Okay. Must have felt great when it started to finally go in your direction as well. This area here that was holding, it was like it took forever. It really took forever to break. And then new 4-hour candle made a little low and then pulled right back up. It worked out well for sure. Benny was cracking. The nickname was Will's idea in the Discord. Was it Will's idea? Will's a funny guy, you know. Will's a funny guy. He really does make me laugh. Good man, good man. Oh. You're buying? Where are you buying to? What's your target? Oh yeah, the general section of the Discord, we talked about having trading nicknames. He suggested nicknames after that one good trade book. Oh, okay, you did pick the name. Okay. Yeah, because I thought you gave yourself that name. I still need to think of a name for myself. How are you getting on with that book? Are you still listening to it, or are you done with it? It's a good book. It's a good book. That was the accidental book as well. That's not even a book. Supposed to be the playbook. Supposed to be the playbook. Damn, this thing's pushing, isn't it? 4535. Okay, Ali, I see you. Is Owanda going for H4 prior high before closing? 8 minutes. Let's see now. We're going to close back in this Asian range as well. Right here. We're in the Asian range already. Let's see what it does. Most mornings I'm listening on the way to work. Almost done. It's good. Yeah, good. I mean, I got more books if you want. More trading books. Got a couple more books. I do love a good trading book. I like trading books that talk about trading without trying to force you to trade a strategy. Do you know what I mean? It talks about their strategies, but not like this is what you should do. I more like the psychological ones, the psychology books. I do. All right, Goldie, where we going? Do you reckon, guys, are we gonna keep pushing, or is that the retest? Is that it? Are we done? Is that the retest? Come back down. So let's get you a nickname. Best one wins. Hey. I'll leave it up to you guys. Leave it up to you guys. I like the nicknames you have, but I don't want something that sounds like too you like the prophet. The prophet. It sounds very what's the word? I want something that's more humble. I'm a humble person. I want something humble. Like majority of people trade 1 pair, then 2+. Not many people trade 5+ pairs. No one trades 10+. Okay. The almost profit. That sounds better. That's funny. Alright, last 4 minutes. What are we doing? Ash is the pip snatcher as she keeps snatching them Asian cells. Facts. Ash has already got the coolest name. The Miss Gold Pippin. Miss Gold Pippin. Yeah, she's already got the cool name. Pippin and dipping. Gold is moving mad. It is. I don't know what gold wants to do today. Honestly. Sorry, I just stuck on Nas and not doing anything. Pippin ain't easy, but somebody gotta do it. That's right. This was where my resistance was when I first started looking at Nas, and obviously it broke, having a little pullback. If Nas can hold 36.26, then I wouldn't even mind buys up. Like the stream that will help with trades. Hey, that normally does, you know. You're right. Normally when I say get the likes up and then we'll take a trade, we actually catch a move. Ash ain't lying. We've got 20 viewers, we should have 20 likes. You know what? I normally post my stream somewhere and like people join from there. I normally post it in this forum. I mean, like, they live trading, come check it out. I haven't done that in so long. I really should start doing it again. Yeah, I need to get back. Let me make a note. Let me make a note to get back on that. Oh. I normally like remember halfway into the stream. I'm like, oh yeah. Yeah. But I really like this community, you know? I like the community who we have in here already. That was quite a move up on gold after it fell down. Yeah, facts. So we don't quite have the continuation pattern. Not when the bullish candle is, it's not a weak candle. Preferably I like a weak candle because it shows prices pushed up and then kind of like rejected the push up. Or like the sellers were in more control. Not really feeling how this has closed. You know what, let me post my link. Let me post my link. Let's not paste. So not liking how this 4 hours closed really. It's giving confused. It's not giving buys, not giving sells. It's kind of all over. Not this sideways. The pawn. I'm in the buyer's target in 4467. I shared. You shared where? Not in the Discord. What are you talking about? Okay, nice little quick scout. Beautiful. Where did you get in? Where did you get in? Oh yeah, nice move, nice move. I can see it. I can see it. Four hour fills this previous 4 hour top wick, breaks the high, keeps pushing up. Up in the charts, I think you missed it. This is the first message I've seen from you. Nice one though, either way. Guess I'm not getting all the messages. Alright, let's see. Now, if this 4-hour breaks a previous 4-hour high, I think I don't see anything either. I think maybe there's a high probability that we do push up some more. Okay, cool. I'm not going crazy. Warmeron, what's up? What's up? How about if, yeah. Buyers do look juicy. We're not really pushing. Is that a inverted head and shoulders? Dr. John, how are you? Ali, I'm buying now. Cool, cool, cool. To the moon. Oh, you want buys too, Mike? Hey, the buys look good. They're looking good. I see a little inverted head and shoulders right here. 30-minute. You're very fine. Excellent, excellent. How's the market's been treating you? What are you looking for on NAS today? What are you looking for on NAS? I would love NAS to keep buying. I would love for NAS to keep pushing up. I want buyers too. I've been sitting in some buyers for a while. I need to see this H4 high broken. If not, I'll exit my buyers. Okay, okay. NAS bullish. Oh yeah, every day. Every day buys on NAS. Pretty much. How about if I make a buy stop at 4469 and sell stop at 4446? How do you think? It's not something I would do. Is this something that's worked for you before? I think your past data should let you know whether it's a good idea or not. You know? Oh, y'all doing that 928 move on NAS? I haven't in the past couple days, and it was fun at first. It was fun until these two candles hit. Like this candle, I'm glad I wasn't in this because this would have been sells, and this one, I'm glad I wasn't in this because this would have been buys for me. So probably not. Probably not. The ones I did take though, the ones I did take, like this one here, I saw like it made sense to me. Do you know what I'm saying? Like taking this 928 trade here, this made sense. You know, no, was it here? Yeah, it was here. Yeah, this one made sense, and the one before. But if it doesn't make sense to me, then I'm not gonna take it. I don't mind taking someone's signals, but it has to, at the same time as it being a signal, I have to at least have some like conviction behind it too. Where am I from? I'm from London. London town. London / Jamaica. Where are you from? Maximum I hope 4477 only if DXY has a retracement from where it is. Oh yeah, let's see DXY. I haven't been on DXY in a minute. Well, today. DXY is looking bullish. DXY is looking kind of bullish right now. Maximum I hope is 4477 only if DXY has a retracement. This makes sense. This makes sense. The XY doesn't look like it wants to I don't know. I can see it being just a bottom wick to then continue up. I can see that. So there's a new 4 hour? 4 hour time frame's off. You're from Indonesia. Oh wow. So what time is it there? Because you gotta be like, that's gotta be what, in the evening? Is that where you are now? Are you there now? $8 o'clock. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, welcome. Do you trade Asian session as well? Since you're on that side of the world. Sorry guys. Let's keep it on some Goldie. (21 PM in Indonesia now. I was an hour off. Indonesia has 3 time zones. How sway? What? 7 AM in Canada. 7 AM. Oh, no wonder you come a bit later than this. I thought, I don't know where I thought. I thought Canada would have been similar to the US, but I guess it depends on what part of the US. Oh, so Canada has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 different time zones in Canada alone. Wow. Okay. The UK is just very small. We have 1 time zone here. That's it. You guys' countries have different time zones in the same place. Wow. That's mad. That's mad. I guess America does. Different time zones. Trust us then. Alright, so we got news in 48 minutes. It's under 47. Buyers from the EMA 20. Buyers from the EMA 20. Now, are your EMAs bullish though? Are your EMAs bullish is the question. Or are they at least crossing? Are they at least crossing? this price action, I can't see the EMAs indicating a strong trend unless it's bearish, because we've had this massive drop. Gold, let's go. I mean, it would be good if gold can break this previous 4-hour high and then keep moving. If it doesn't break this 4-hour high, if it respects this lower time frame resistance, I can see gold pulling back a bit. I can see gold dropping. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 sec. Oh, so shut that window. Sound crazy outside over there. I don't know what my neighbors are doing, some type of construction, but it's very loud to me. Very loud. All right, so 4-hour, what we doing? We had a little move up, didn't break that high, possibly coming back down. We're gonna continue this bearish structure. Oof, oof, oof. If we do have a little head and shoulders here, where's the neckline? It'll be like a slanted neckline. I mean, kind of have 2 left shoulders. I don't think I like it. I don't think I like it. Let me leave it alone. I'm not in no buys it anyway. Oh, I don't know why that's tagged. I need to know how to do that. What's this? What's the shortcut for that? Shift and click on the chart. I was not pressing any buttons, so what even is that? Okay, never mind. How's everyone doing out there? How's everyone's trade? Oh, Ash didn't break the prior high on M30, H1 or H4. Playing at the Asian low too much, bruh. That's why I put this line here, because it is, to me, it's kind of like a break and retest. If we were able to, we've got like Asian lows right here, we've got this support right here. If we were able to push up, then we would be breaking those 4-hour highs anyway. Well, where's 4-hour highs? 4, 4, 6, 9. Yeah, around here. Yeah, so we would have been breaking 4-hour highs, and it's just struggling. It really is struggling, isn't it? Yeah, Carl, I would like with the EMA thing, you want the EMAs to be aligned. You want they need to be in the right order if you're gonna take that trade. You don't just wanna, you know what I mean? That they're bearish. So don't try to look for buys on the when they're not aligned step by step. Say gold's confused. Gold's confused. Karen, how are you? How are you, Karen? Are we making money with gold? Look at gold right now. Look at gold right now. I think there's a couple people that are in buys. I don't know if you guys are still in these buys. I think at the beginning, majority of people were looking at sells or buys and then sells. Yeah, right now I'm just waiting. I don't see, I don't see anything yet. for me, if I was going to take buys, it would be above, like if a candle closed above this area, above 4467, I'll be looking at buys. It does look like we're continuing down some more. Do you know what? This line is annoying me. The mission is cancelled. We're going down and down. Yeah. I mean, look at DXY. DXY is looking quite bullish. Very bullish. Actually breaking above this 4-hour resistance that's been holding for weeks now. For weeks. Now it's pushing back up. Yeah. Nas buys at 928. Benny boy. Benny boy. Yeah, DXY is definitely looking good for some buyers up. I was in sales earlier from 4471 to 4445. Well done, well done. Was that a win? That must have been a win, right? Was that around here? Because this was a beautiful break and retest to continue down. I have set traps on both the top and bottom sides. Run wherever the momentum is. I'll definitely catch it. I mean, that is one way to trade. It is one way to trade. Good luck. You said, where did you have? You had 4469 for buyers and then 4446 for sells. Are you, does that mean your sells have been entered in yet? Are you in your sells, Warmerin? Yeah, it was a win, but now the price is action is confusing. 100%. And we have news in half an hour. And market open. I said setting traps, I know. You guys are waiting for buys on that support? No, do you know what? I just put this support in not too long ago, to be fair. Allergies are trying to come for me. All right, market open. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, Benny, did you take those buys? Wait, did you say buys? He said nice buys at 928. Did you take that? You did. Yeah, out here playing, boy. Let me see what Goldie's doing. Gold out here messing around. I'm looking at the other 4-hour time frame on gold. Now look. Closed below the support, but the current 4-hour hasn't broken that previous 4-hour low. Low key though, this 4-hour looks like it wants to flip and drive down in the next half an hour. Hasn't broken that previous high, but it hasn't broken the low. But on the plus side, that low is holding. Ooh, gold is not giving up much today, you know, guys. Gold is not giving up much today, I tell you that. Why is my daily there? My buy stop at 4471, then a sell stop at 4454. I thought you were in already. You didn't get in at 46, or it didn't really come down to. It came to 46, but not really 46 flat. So spread probably didn't enter you in. Good luck, man. Good luck. Good luck. Gold is looking crazy sideways right now. I got out at 30 pips. I don't know how Sky does it. I don't know how Sky does it, yeah. This candle is nuts to me. DXY, I'm at DXY. Nas is coming down. Maybe we get some more sells on gold then. Maybe, baby. Did I send that? What happened to all the buyers? Are they still holding? I don't know. You gotta ask the buyers for real. Based on your Gmail. We are on war. What are you saying? We're getting some headlines? No headlines yet. No headlines. No headlines. My sell stop at 442 and buy stop at 4471. I got out my entries 4443, 4444. Nice, nice. We'll trade after all the news is out. Too many variables. Best to stay out and let the market show its hand. Oh yeah, 100%. 100%. Definitely. Definitely. Has the expected index pullback begun? If so, gold will rise. Do you know what? It's this area is very important for DXY right here. This area, because if you see, none of these 4-hour candles have been able to close above 99.4. 994. Yeah, say like 99.4. So if we get a pullback in the next hour and 20, I can see DXY closing below the range and then selling. But if it closes above, then I think there's a high probability of price continuing up, which would be bearish for gold. If we close below, it should be bullish for gold. So that's probably why gold is in a bit of a limbo as well. Damn, look at Nas. Nas came back, retested this support. Oof. Actually liked. You know, let me not say nothing. Here's what it is. Peace. Whipsaw. Always with Naz. Always. 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 Gold is chilling, boy. Look. Gold is chilling. If that icy market H4 will go down for its low. Yeah, because even that hadn't broken that 4-hour low, did it? Maybe a continuation pattern here if we don't flip and drive. Keep an eye on this 4-hour here for IC markets. See the alternative 4-hour time frame. See what this does. Oh, okay. Flip, break the low, drive down. Right, the doctor missed it. Oh man, I mean, yo, yeah, I could tell by the name, I think. What's up, Sky? You good? I mean, it didn't play out for very long anyway, so I think, yeah, scalping that is definitely a good shout. Scalping it, if you can get in on the right way, you're good. Ooh, gold is dropping. There we go, Goldie. There we go. Broke that 4-hour low. Nice little breakout. Let's see if we can push down. This is we have a clean range to the left if gold can keep pushing. 4 4 8 8 8 7. You grabbed it. Nice. Nice. Way to change the bias quickly. Yeah, this looks good. Am I in anything? Nah. Watching it melt. Watching it melt. Thanks for that comment about the IC market H4 Wick. Yo, it didn't it was setting up nice, man. It was setting up nice. It was setting up real nice. It was. Got out quick though. Check Discord. Oh, let me see. See what you over there cooking. What you over there cooking. Okay. Oh, nice. We had a couple positions on that. Nice. What's your TP? This thing is moving. It's moving. Yo, Naz is dropping. Okay, something's happening. Something's going on. What's this? Yeah, through a 0.15 on. Okay. No, that was nice. Real nice. Iran nuclear risk seen higher than before Trump's attack began. Yeah, okay. But I exit quick, like right after that screenshot. I got you. That yo. Look at the melt. Wow. Wowzers. Yeah, Benny, you know what I mean? You called the move, but you ain't call it like Sky calls the moves, you know what I'm saying? Benny, your 15 triple top. I can kind of see it still. Yep. Oh, bounce. Nice little neckline. Ooh wee. Yes, sir. So itchy. Allergies trying to kick my ass. I need to clean this keyboard again. Dust, you know? I saw it, but I can't trust M50. Yo, me too. Now this definitely looks good to let's see if we can keep going. Man, like the stream, man. If I helped you make some money today, man, get them likes up right there. All this yapping I do. All this yappity yaps. I'ma soon send super chats. Yeah, man. She. I'ma start charging you like 10%. 10% of whatever you made goes to the super chat. Could you imagine? People would not call their moves. Shit, that went down. That went down. Alright, so look, yeah, this move is happening real nice. Love it. Alright, 7 hours though for the day to close, so I can't get too excited about it. If we do keep going, then obviously 43, 77, 78 is, you know, the next level that we're aiming for. Can retest. So gonna be very interesting to see how today's closing. Nas is melting. What did I say today though? We're due a pullback, but something needs to happen for it to pull back. What's happened? Nothing's happened. Why is it dropping like this? Nothing happened. I don't see nothing, nothing high impact that's making that drop. I thought it would be like a combination of technicals and fundamentals. Like, you know, we'd hit maybe like a key level, and then, or a psychological number, and then some big news will come out and it will drop. We got none of that. It just dropped. It's a big drop. 300 pips. 300 pipper. There we go. Oh, I'm sorry. Ooh. Sorry, guys. Oh, man. What a pullback, bro. Crazy. Gold H1 might close above 444. If it's lower, then divergence is building. Okay, okay. Build that divergence. Build that. This is why I mark up so many levels, because, you know what I mean? Gold is going to respect one of these levels. I believe in my daily analysis, 4428 was one of the levels I was looking at for potential buys. Potential buys. Let me show you. Is it gonna come up big though? Fuck it. Let's see how it looks. It looks good. Looks good. Yeah, look, 4428. Why is it not showing? 4428 down here was the area that I was looking at, just for like a little reaction, you know what I mean? Perfect. So if you took advantage of that, you could have caught a cheeky 170 pips. Oh look, Nas pulling back up too. Alright guys, we've got 5 minutes till news. 5 minutes, guys. That rain. Lovely. No walk today then. This is a crazy pullback, guys. A crazy pullback. I don't know what gold wants to do today, man. Alright, we chilling, man. We chilling. Alright, oh shoot, I forgot. News, 20 seconds, and then I'm gonna call it. This was I don't even know where I would want to get in. Upon reflection, what would have been a great entry? Maybe a retest of this area, because I was looking for it to hold. But other than that, I don't really see a move for me, you know, guys. The numbers expected to be 53.7. What did we get? Ooh. $53.7. 54.5. And we got a continuation pattern too. What numbers came out higher than expected? That should be bearish for gold. Should be bearish. Factory orders higher too. I think we might see some more gold sales, you know. I think we see some more gold sales, but DXY is coming down a bit. Did DXY close above? Still got 50, still got an hour. Guys, this continuation I think is going to be crazy. This is what we've got going on right here. This right here. Pretty much same as the daily. Pretty much same as the daily, where we've got a long top and bottom wick, very weak body. I could see gold filling this wick and continuing down. I could see it, especially with this weak ass news too. Look, this 4 hours obviously broken the low. Yeah, gold sells. Gold sells, gang. Let me check my thing. You ready to drive the bus? I don't know where I'd get in. I want the sells. I just don't see where I'm getting in at. I definitely want the sells. I've been wanting to sell since earlier on today. M5 Wick area. Oh, talk that talk. Driver. Been around here. Is it already left? Has it already left? Is it too late for me? Is it too late for me? You know what? Yeah, no, I've got to keep that there because that's the support right there. I actually have a meeting in an hour. I'm going to prep for that. That's what I'm going to do. Let's send that. If this M5 closes as an engulfing, that would be clutch. Alright, let's see. Let's see. You're gonna jump on the bus? You jumping on the bus, Benny? This, I mean, these numbers should be bearish for gold. They should be bearish. M5 don't want to engulf. Go on, 30 seconds, 37 seconds. That wasn't the ideal closer. It wasn't, was it? Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here, guys. I'm gonna leave it here. Good job if you caught the trade today. Good job, good job. Well done. Do you know what I mean? Even if I don't call the move, hopefully I've given you some food for thought at least. You know what I mean? And look, guys, if you don't catch the move, you don't, you know what I mean, your trade doesn't play out, we should still talk about it. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people in here that wanted buys, a lot of people that wanted sells. Like, we should discuss maybe, you know, why it did play out, why it didn't play out. Like, do you know what I mean? That's the way to improve. Sometimes it's just a probability thing. You know what I mean? I feel like a lot of people, if your trade don't play out, they just dip. Do you know what I mean? Like, don't feel no way about losing trade. It happens. You know what I mean? I take losses. Everyone takes losses. We take them together. We win together, we lose together. It is what it is. Everyone wins, everyone loses, you know? We live to fight another day. Hopefully. Hopefully. But yeah, man. Appreciate you guys for being here, of course, as always. Why not pause the music? As always. And I will see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. What do we have tomorrow? Tomorrow we have nothing. Oh, nice. Clean market tomorrow. Clean day. No nothing. And then Friday is the big old NFP day. Took buys from the Wick out now. Nice. Well done. Beautiful. Well done. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Ooh, pushing up. Yeah, gold is playing, man. Alright, guys. Later.